what it is. Oh, look at that. It's baby's play.
Oh, okay.
Baby.
For the baby, okay.
Oh, thank you.
And that's for your mummy to pamper herself with.
Try and get back in shape, isn't it?
That's for your mummy. You bought it for her, didn't you?
Get rid of that second baby that's made of jelly.
That'll get her all framed up again. Okay. Pamper yourself. That's for you off
You
Julia.
want Dad to help you open it?
Yeah.
That's for you off Julia.
Okay.
There you go.
Do you want to take your shoes
That's
off,
your being
Susie?
fed today, Miss
I
Gia.
just fed her just now.
Oh,
Feed her every...
feeding her up. Oh yeah. She looks, doesn't she look more content than yesterday? Like that. She was starting to get more content last night, but she looked more content now, doesn't she?
She looked great when she woke up. Well, we held the night then.
You okay? Did you? Right.
She literally, and she got to the stage where she was just copying the other babies and crying as well, and she just...
But you know what it is now? Now she's got the taste of your milk, and
Yeah.
she thought this is good.
Yeah.
She thought, now I'm getting fed. I wasn't getting fed before.
Yeah. Like literally 3 hours non-stop.
Should we take your coat off?
Yeah. Would you help Isabella open it?
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, let go.